Hello guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I am going to be showing you how you can get Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I am going to be showing you how you can get a dirt block in Minecraft. So first of all, you have to find a dirt block, and you can find these in biomes that they don't include sand. So here's some dirt here, and what you can do is you can use a shovel to get this, but as you can see I don't have any. Fortunately, you can actually get dirt without using a shovel. And there you go. So here's the dirt block, and you can use this for making like a dirt house or something, you know, for construction. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.